Hey everybody, it's Yuki once again for the Yuki Game Development Channel. Welcome back everybody. It's been a while since I posted on this channel. And we are back. But we are not just doing RPG Maker MV games anymore. We're gonna be doing Unity engine as well. So we're gonna have some fun with Unity. Today I'm gonna show you guys a demo of a zombies map I'm making, and the this is coming from making it with the Modular Multiplayer FPS engine by F1314 Art. This engine allows you to basically make your own Call of Duty styled game with team deathmatch, search and destroy, and other cool stuff. Now, keep in mind, search and destroy and zombies and anything else that are related to the pack are add-ons that you can purchase on the Unity Asset Store. Today, we're going to show you guys the Wasteland map, which is actually a free pack I found on the Unity Asset Store. And this is also available in co-op play, as you can see here, with 4 players. So within the pack, you actually get one map for free, and that is the Kino map. We're going to be playing on the map I'm currently making, which is Wasteland. Now, a couple of things to feature: you can purchase weapons like normally in Call of Duty Zombies. The thing is, I actually show you guys how much it is in terms of points. We also have a shotgun here, also 750, and you can unlock areas with points. Press the F key to do so once you have enough points. Here comes the zombies. Here we go. This is regular Call of Duty. Right click, ADS, left click fire. And yes, double points, kaboom, and max ammo is also featured here. So I'm going to go ahead and show off the demo shotgun. Now keep in mind, these weapons are actually available within the pack, but you can actually add more weapons if you know how to do so. But I might have a tutorial for you guys in a series later on down the line. To reload, press R on your keyboard like normal. There we go.
Changing magazines.
Let me close that uh, thing there, that advertisement. Press F to open up a area or buy a weapon. Now you see these open doors. This is where the zombies would come out from. Until I fix barriers. I do plan to add more zombie
Reloading.
types
Cover me.
later down the line. I would actually get the bar in this scenario, which I'm gonna try to do so. Yeah, I gotcha. Now keep in mind that the text will stay there, but it is unlocked. I removed the invincible
Reloading.
wall.
Cover me.
Now, if there are no barriers, you might see this black area. This is also where the zombies would spawn out of. This is just more of a fail-safe in case the barriers don't work.
Reloading. Give me
Now,
suppressive
keep in
fire.
mind the same zombies will spawn out of those
Reloading. Give me
areas. So
suppressive
I'm
fire.
planning to put like a player block. I'm making sure I take them out of the head. They always say that in
Reloading.
movies.
Give me suppressive fire.
Aim for the head when it comes to zombies. Let me see if there's any stranglers around here. Because there might be some. Let me just make sure. Oh, that's right. You locked area 4. Oh, hello.
Reloading. Cover me.
The final portion of the map is 4,500, which I want to show off a little bit. If I can get there. Nice. Make sure there's nothing else.
Reloading. Cover me.
I'm gonna try to make them next update. I'm gonna try to make them available to go into other areas.
Swapping backs.
Right now I have them nav mess blocker. So here's the final area for the moment, unless I decided to add more. Features of the final area include this watchtower, which I'm gonna show off next round.
Reloading. Cover me.
Here they come. Ooh, our max ammo drop open.
Reloading. Give me suppressive fire. Reloading. Give me suppressive fire.
There we go.
Swapping backs.
Okay, let's go ahead and use that watchtower. If we can make it in time. Time between rounds is 15 seconds.
I'm reloading.
Ooh, look at what I found. If I can get it.
Max ammo.
I got kaboom. But they're not all down yet. And I got double points.
Double points. Swapping backs.
Now, what else is coming up? Next update, I plan to add Pack-a-Punch. Like the thing from Call of Duty.
Reloading. Cover me. Reloading. Cover me. Swapping backs. Changing magazine.
Ooh, double points. And kaboom.
Double points. Max.
I'm getting lucky with max ammo right now. This is mouse and keyboard right now, but I'm planning to add it more controller stuff once I learn how to do it.
Reloading. Give me suppressive fire. Reloading. Cover me.
Oh, there was one over here.
Double points. Reloading. Cover me.
Whoa, hello.
Reloading. Cover me.
We'll go one more round and then I'll explain what's going on and how you can find more information about the progress and all that good stuff.
Ah.
Yeah, last round. I plan to make a real first map called Apartment soon. This is just to show you guys what is in the pack and the
Reloading.
stuff I'm
Cover me.
planning to do with it.
Ow. Ow. That fucking
Please do
hurt.
keep in mind fall damage does exist. So I'm gonna pull off a Jimmy Duke. So yeah. For weapon leaning, press hold Q or W. I mean Q or E for weapon lean. Also based on the kit.
Ow. Ow. That
Oh,
fucking hurt.
I didn't even reload.
Kaboom.
So I get this got a double kaboom. Okay, thanks. All right, that's all for this one. So now, how can you find progress of what we've been doing? What I've been doing? Well, you can go to the website. That is Yuki Productions yt.weebly.com, and then from the homepage, go down to the blog-based content section. Blog-based content, and there's be a page for game development. Press that button. You're gonna go to here. Okay. Now, right now there is nothing here in terms of our this particular demo because I have just started the page. But once the page is up, there will be one for the for this particular project. I am planning another one with card game as well. The card game is gonna be a lot easier. So look up for more card game based one with Unity, and then down the line I'm gonna do the Zombie FPS as well. Okay, that is a little bit of a taste of game development returning. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And as always, is it Friday yet? And if you guys are into Mario, come back at 5:30 this evening, 5:30 Pacific, for our Mario Mondays live stream as always, because that's what we do here. That's all for now. Enjoy and welcome back.